intro?
Yeah.
Okay, talk.
Hi guys. My auntie Mel's gonna do me 2 ponytails. And I wanna have a design on it. Perfect look design. And I think my mom was too late to comb my hair, so yeah, she was gonna comb my hair, but now they just got too crazy, and I cannot take 1 minute. And also, subscribe my button, hit the triangle, cause we're about to get this video started. Well, you could talk. You could talk. That's what I saw on YouTube.
Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to do a zigzag part and a zigzag braid down the middle. And then we're going to do 2 puffs.
Are you gonna put that many in there?
Am I going to put what many in where?
Hair clips. Well, you got that thing. I was just playing too.
What?
About the hair.
It don't hurt?
No! I mean about the braiding part.
Oh.
That it said you can't braid no more. You're just joking around.
Oh, so I can still braid?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for clearing that up.
I was just joking around.
So you want me to continue to braid?
Yeah. I was just only joking. I was only joking around. That's it. Ow, 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 ow.
I'm sorry. It's tight?
Yeah. You can keep talking.
Just trying to concentrate.
But you can keep talking.
Okay, so guys, now I'm just braiding a little micro braid down the middle. It's kind of zigzaggy. The parts are not perfect, but you know, we gonna work it out. Right? Right?
Right.
And it's gonna still be cute. Right?
Right.
Because your auntie doing it, right?
And my other auntie do stuff right too.
Yep, she always braids your hair really pretty. She got more patience than me though.
Huh?
I said she got more patience than me though. Cause she give you small braids. I don't got time for that, sis.
And you get big braids. And you get big braids.
And ponytails and puffs.
But you need to start braiding some more braids.
Like what braid?
Like little braids, but you made a little braid. But you braided a little braid, that looks so little. Auntie Mel, that looks so little and cute.
Thank you.
I think you did a right little I forgot what it's called.
Braid.
Braid.
You keep moving. We're not even in the camera no more.
I want to be in the camera.
You do or you don't?
I do.
Yeah, you keep moving. Hold your head still, okay? Tilt it down.
Ow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. No, the braid.
Oh, I'm sorry, because I was trying to... I can't see it.
It's zigzaggy. It's zigzag. Can you do 2 braids right here, right here? It's like
2 braids like how?
right here, right there. Put like.
But we don't have no barrettes. How about I do...
Some twist out?
You want to twist out real bad, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't have time for a twist out.
You could just call me real quick. Something happening, guys.
What's happening?
My tooth is almost loose.
Your tooth is not almost loose.
No, it feels like it's really loose, but it's not. But it's almost, because you see this hole.
You just want your tooth to fall out. Put your head down. No, the other way. Like that. Yes, thank you.
Look at it. Look at more of my teeth. They're really almost loose. This way. You see this hole? You don't feel it, huh? You don't see it. It's this one.
Buddy, you just always talking about your teeth falling out.
You being so rude today.
How?
Just say sorry. Just say sorry. Just say sorry now.
Don't. Remember we went through this morning?
Yeah, but you still have to say sorry.
What am I saying sorry for? I hurt your feelings?
Yeah.
I apologize for hurting your feelings.
Thank you.
I'm just saying. You always talking about your tooth falling out.
Stop saying that now. Just say my tooth is about to fall out now.
Your tooth about to fall out.
Now, how about you spell your name like this? Oh, you got products in my hair?
You can't move the chair though, okay?
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. You're not older than me, though. You're not older than me. You hear me?
I am older than you.
No, you're not. Then why do I have a big head?
I'm still older than you.
That means I'm older than you.
No, it means I'm older than you.
That means I'm older than you. But if I have a big head, if I turn the mirror to a big head, that means I'm bigger than you.
Hold your hair still, okay?
I kind of feel like I'm at a hair shop.
Feel like you're at the hair shop. Get in that hair comb. You just gonna step out of the camera? You don't want to give him a twirl?
Oh.
You gotta do your outro.
How do you do it?
When you tell them thanks for watching, see you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye. Don't forget to give this video a
Subscribe.
and give this video a
Big thumbs up.
Why you act like you don't be watching YouTube videos now?
I feel like I just forgot.
Puffs picked up. We just want to go play. Okay, bye. I'm sorry.
You have the perfect look.
You being dramatic now.
I know you got it in my eye.
I'm sorry. Sis, please don't make this hard for either one of us. Who is that? Hi, Denzelli.
Hey, how you doing? I making a video with my sister.
Yeah.
And I'm putting my bracelet.
Y'all got haircuts?
Hey, let me see your haircut, Davia.
We're making a video.
But let me see your haircut. Let me see
I got a haircut. You have a haircut.
Oh, you got new glasses? Or those your other ones, huh?
Yeah.
You got them fixed. They look nice.
What? Yeah, she's gonna have to do a lot of editing. You're good at editing, right? Yes, you are.
Yeah, you have to stay here though,
I
guys.
say send your video.
Guys, can you stay here?
They have to go clean up the room.
I know, hold up. You just, you the thing.